Months ago, negative stories spread across Malawi about fake grades and degrees at Mzuzu University. These stories damaged the image of one of Malawi's important universities. But behind the rumors is a different story. Thousands of students at Mzuzu University work day and night for their education and future.
I study hard every day because my dream is to become a professional and help my country.
For many years, Mzuzu University graduates have contributed positively to Malawi's development.
Everything I achieved started at Mzuzu University.
I am proud of Mzuzu University because it gave me knowledge, confidence, and a bright future.
Everything I achieved started at Mzuzu University.
From classrooms to hospitals and workplaces, Mzuzu graduates continue to change lives through skill, dedication, and professional excellence. Their success reflects quality education and hard work. Yes, challenges can happen in any institution. What matters is accountability, collection, and moving forward.
Academic integrity remains our priority.
Institutions grow by learning from challenges and becoming stronger. Today, Mzuzu University continues to stand for knowledge, responsibility, and hope for Malawi's future. A university is not defined by rumors. It is defined by the hard work, dreams, and determination of its students.
Mzuzu University is more than a headline. Mzuzu University is knowledge. Mzuzu University is integrity. We are the green intellectuals.
Mzuzu University is the future of Malawi.